Alright guys, so we're here in Kahale village and we're just overseeing the construction of the cottage, guys. But yeah, let me show you over there. There's a neighbor that is constructing a house as well down there, and then somewhere over there there's a school. Yeah, then this side, of course, some houses for the neighbors. There's that one over there, then there's this one over here, and there's another one over there. Okay, so these are our immediate neighbors over here. Okay, so let me just walk you around here. I show you guys earlier mentioned that there's actually a piece of land that is being sold over here. Okay, but now our house over there, it's coming up slowly. Yeah, so you can see the lintel which the ring beam which we actually put yesterday. It wasn't perfectly done, but it's okay. I think it's okay. Yes guys, so let me show you from this other side. So let me stand in this corner here. I show you guys. Yeah. So on this beacon, this is our last. Let me stand. Let me go up on this beacon. Okay, this is where our land ends. So from that house which is being constructed right there, actually this is our demarcation, straight up from these trees coming to all the way to this beacon, which is about 35 meters. Okay, and then on this side it goes all the way behind this tree. There's a beacon. Let me walk you there. I show you guys as we are walking. I want us to see, the house, the main house is going to be constructed somewhere here, I think, or somewhere there. Okay, or here, facing this direction here, or we put it here, facing this other direction, the western side. Okay, yeah, when we find water, that is, we're going to dig the foundation and start everything. Okay, so here in this length is 20 meters from that beacon to this beacon over here. So right there, there's a beacon, and then we go straight again this way, right where the sand is over there. Okay, so that is 35 meters going down there, guys. But then this immediate plot from this beacon, this plot going this side, is the one they are selling, and they are selling it at 45,000 kwacha. Okay, 45,000 kwacha. If you're interested in buying that, you can let me know. Yes guys, so I'm walking around here in Kahale village, and this plot, guys, it all came courtesy of some of you, my subscribers, that have been able to support me, to change the life of a Zambian content creator, and which I really appreciate. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to God. I'm so grateful to you guys that I'm making a positive change in my life. I'm saying thank you so much. Keep supporting me. Keep supporting a Zambian content creator. So today, this year, probably we are going to do some traveling, if finances actually allow. But we are going to tour some places more than we did last year. Of course, last year it was all about Lusaka, this, Lusaka that, Lusaka land, Lusaka what. But this time around, this year, when we are done building that one, while we are doing this one, we can actually move around and show you guys a lot of other interesting places in Zambia and maybe in Southern Africa. Okay, so I want to say thank you guys, and keep supporting me. Yeah, then let's go again. I show you the progress that we've made so far at our construction, at our site here, where we are building a small cottage house, sorry. Yeah, and we intend to keep that one to be more of a storage room while we construct the big house over here. So yes guys, that's how it is. Okay, hi guys. So today guys, I've got some great news. Actually, I have some big news. Today we're going to be putting the slab in the house, in our little cottage, and you know, like putting the slab consumes like a lot of cement, but I want to say thank you to some of you guys that have been contributing. And today specifically I want to say thank you to one of my subscribers in the UK, Uncle David, who has actually contributed massively to today's works, because today he has actually bought all the cement that we are going to use today. So I want to say thank you so much, Uncle David, in the UK. Please keep supporting the channel. I really appreciate to see you guys watching my videos and also subscribing. Thank you so much. I want to say thank you also to God for surely being with me throughout this journey up to this far. So I hope we continue. And you guys, like, if you want to contribute, like I always say, there's my WhatsApp line on this video, so please go ahead and WhatsApp me, contribute whatever amount that you feel like, okay, you want to help out a Zambian content creator, like build a house here on this plot. So thank you so much. Yeah, let's go. I'll show you the progress that we've made so far.
Right. Jago fast waman. Fast waman. Chifunga chikaziyuma chipindi. Mkanye opisha.
Okay, so the guys have started. So you can see some progress over there. The bedroom, that is.
Hapa David. Ngakula kasinja, safu kusamba mkemu. Ngazipaya weka.
Shoka vipi?
Oh. Yopa kwa
Hivi lazima yamekumbika msapa.
What's that shit?
Bala mzuri.
Gari zero mzakala tukishia soja hapo.
Take it,
Repeat hapo kwa.
Ngine. Ngine pa.
so manje itapureni manje bwere kumukukya mino itapura kwenye bwera kwenye kwa
Okay, this is how it's going. The bedroom is almost there.
uko wangaiko rapid tikuambo pindula wachiteko fast
Mcheza maningi hapa. So hapa mnafika usiku no series.
Uzana muri bangati uko muri babiri mtango uzana. Kazi sana kambata. Ndio kaniza kinzira fast. Kuchira akasema hapo hapo.
Baba ni kimya.
Yo tenga cheka baki kutira pale. Kutira pale. Una mkate ado. Nda video.
Alright guys, so let's walk inside and see what is still going on here. Okay. So guys, this is our sitting room and they're now putting the slab and Uncle Dan is busy there. And it looks like our bedroom is done so far. Our small toilet over there. Okay, so that's what is not going on here. Okay. Kinangu chankala empty manje ka chamanzi.
Dramo.
Eh.
Yeah, unaji ile furu ipani.
Oh, then so ikariko guys. Kufika utapira tungadabati ya sira ilo mkaibo series.
Sira mshaba.
Alright guys, so let me show you this other side where our neighbor's house is. So like what we did, we left, there's a 6 meters here from this wall fence going all the way up to somewhere here. Yeah, from our beacon there it comes straight somewhere here. Yeah, so there's like a 6 meters. But then our house, we intended to leave like 2 meters from the wall fence, which is going to be put here. You know, so the house is closer to the road, but it's because of the plot, the way it's shaped, like from this beacon, it's like a V. So you know, like when it's a V, where you find like space, it means you have to push the house like right almost at the center of the plot. But I thought it's not necessary. Let me just do what I can from here, and then we're going to build a wall fence here. Yeah, a tall wall fence, actually taller than this one I think, which can be good. Then we're going to block the noise and stuff from the roadside. Okay, so this is how it is so far. When we are done today putting the slab, I'll show you guys how it's going to look. So stick around and watch the video from start to finish if you've just joined us, because this is a premiere. So if you have just joined us watching this video, make sure that you roll it to the beginning and then watch. Okay, thank you so much. Come through and support me here in Africa, in Zambia. Okay, and this is Kahale village right here guys. Okay, so let me update you again later when when they are done like putting the slab, guys. Okay, like the video as well. Like I always say, guys, the only way you can support me is by liking the videos. Whenever I post, you like it, then YouTube gets to recognize that it's a good video and they show it to a lot more people. So whenever I post, please you do me a favor by liking the video. So let's go. If you haven't liked the video so far and you've watched it up to this far, it means you're finding value, but please show courtesy by liking the video. Okay. Kawaya kufanya.
Então, ele mano. Siambira huko. Huko hivi bila sio. Naye mugaziji. Vizuri hapa. Shavyo ina nkulibe kule. Shavyo hapa.
Yeah. Okay, guys, they're looking for this shovel. E. Alright guys, so I don't know what you think of the works, of the progress that we've made here at the construction site. And yeah, but this is how the house looks today, guys. But as you can see, the guys are still busy. It's a busy site, so yeah, I'll update you and show you guys how it will look when everything is done today. Okay, right. Okay. Okay guys, so getting some milk for the guys here. What's like a plastic or okay. So we're going to get this one, guys. This is dairy gold. Full cream milk. So it's 15 kwacha. Okay. 4, 5. Yakwana wakapata zibe. Yakwana utazinyenge. Ew. Uri bwino. Okay. Jesus. Okay, guys. Okay, so
nichipua uja mkazi izakafika time
Alright. Okay guys, so we've bought some milk for those guys because they'll be working with cement and some chemicals, of course. So it's good for them like to have some milk after that. So I thought I needed to buy them something. So we bought them. There are 4 of them. We bought 5 of this for milk. Dairy Gold. Okay, so Dairy Gold is actually one of the companies that make, should I say make processed milk? Yes. Here in Zambia, and I think in this area it's a bit expensive. Like where I'm staying currently, it's about 13 kwacha. Okay, but here we've gotten one at 15 kwacha. Okay, so let's go and get back to the project and see how the guys are doing today. This is the last bit of the update because we are working on the slab today. So let's go and find out how far they've gone. Okay, remember to like the video as well. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're just watching, if you've just bumped into this channel, my name is Samson, the Roadman. I do travel videos here in Zambia, and yes, I'm a Zambian content creator. And today I'm here in Kahale village, and we are building or constructing our small house, our small cottage actually, on our plot. Yeah, so let me just give you a quick update on how the guys are doing. Okay, let's go.
Moshe daddy.
Hey guys, so we are actually in the final stages here for today. So let me just take you around and show you guys how far we've gone today. The 9th day in the construction or building of our small tiny cottage here. Okay, so the cottage, we started building it like that's 9 days ago today. So let me just give you a quick tour of how things are today here. Okay, so the main activity here has been laying down the slab, because we did like the Chinese way. So let me show you, this is our sitting room from here, and this is how it looks. Okay, and that's our entrance over there. The kitchen is over there. I'll take you there and show you guys. But this is how it is. Yes, guys. Okay, let me show you this other part from this angle. Okay. Oh, there we go. And there we go. So that's how it looks from here. And the bedroom over there. Okay. Come up this side. Atubonye. Kairi. Kairi, my estimation yanwa. Samson-The series. So guys, we've run out of cement. We're supposed to finish today our kitchen here, but as you can see that other side, we're not going to finish it today. Hopefully when we get some cement, we can come and complete this one here. Okay, so that's what is happening, but let me show you in the bedroom on this side. From this angle, that's how it looks, and then that is going to be our shower, our bathroom over there. Yes, so it will be built up. Okay, but that's how it looks. That's the bedroom from this side. Okay, so let me show you from the other angle as well. Yes guys, so basically for today we are done. Look at it from this side. Yeah, that's how it looks from here. Okay, all right guys, so this is how far we've gone for today. Thank you so much for watching this video from the start to the end. Okay, so we've come to the end of our video. We've come to the end of the day today. As you can see on this other side, the sun, this is actually almost 7 p.m. here, but these are long days, short nights. Yes guys, so yeah, we're coming to the end of this video from here. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel guys, those that are returning. Yeah, and also guys, like I always say, if you want to support me in this journey, please go ahead and support me. There's my WhatsApp line on the screen there, as you can see. Yes, WhatsApp me, we talk. Please, if you can want to contribute anything, even if you mean like a $5, like a $10, it's enough. You can send via World Remit or Western Union. Yes guys, I'm able to receive via that. I would really appreciate your support. I would really appreciate your support guys. But this is the cottage that we are building here in Kahale village. So thank you so much for coming back, and thank you so much for those that have just joined us. And please consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I post a video, you guys shouldn't miss like any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the Roadman, once again. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourselves. Bye.